Most people would just chuck it. I am going to have a go at weaving some strips of fabric through it to see if I can do a kind of make do and mend thing with it. I said I'd be back soon. Hi, lovely to have you along again. There might be an extra video this week, which will probably be this one, because I think I said I was going to show you the stairwell curtain next. So this one is in between this one and that, if that makes any sense, because I still wanted to have a chat with you this week. But if I don't, at least you'll have had 3 videos by the end of the week. If I do, it's one of those whatevers. That's why I keep saying click the notification bell. Okay, let's hope this doesn't mess up with any algorithms, because if I post too often and then practically on the wrong day, never mind. Anyway, welcome. Here is what happened to that laundry basket. Normally, while working, I would have the telly on and do this kind of thing, either watching movies or watching some YouTube videos or something like that, or I'd have music on, but I don't want to risk any copyright strikes on my channel for having music on in the background that's not part of that's not been paid for, or you know, done whatever I'm supposed to do. So I'm sitting in silence just so I can show you what I'm doing. As I said, I put the first 2 rungs around the bottom, and I'm using it to shore up these, because some of the bottom ones like that are broken, and that is what we're trying to counteract by doing this. And it's so simple, and it's actually quite enjoyable, just using what you've got to make things last. Just fold it over a bit there. Take the other end of it, put it through underneath, and there you have it, joined together. Quick as that. As long as look how quick that's gone, just doing that round like that. If I was to sit and do this from start to scratch, it would only take an evening. It would only take an evening. This is the bit I showed you where I strengthened up the French, because that's where it's broken in a number of places. Puts me in the mood for making more rag rugs. I still would like to make a number of rag rugs and tie them together to make a big rug, especially for the living room, but I think I would have to do it in some kind of more sturdy fabrics that could take the punishment of a rug in the living room. Well, at least it didn't turn out too bad. Just got to thread those bits away through the weaving bits, because I made a handle on each side, and that one is smaller than that side, but it doesn't matter. It's not going to landfill, and it is much more sturdy. It's quite strong now. A little bit of untidy bits there where there were whole chunks of plastic missing, and I had to try and somehow make a frame for it. But there you go. Saved from landfill by scraps of fabric. That is it. Look at, not chucking stuff away. I'm not hoarding, I'm mending, I'm repairing, I'm making do and reusing it so that I don't be spending money that we shouldn't be spending right now in our home, because we need to be saving up, looking at those energy costs. And if we never get to use that extra savings for the energy, well, great, we'll have saved some money. But that's being over optimistic. So while we're penny pinching, let's do it in a good way and for the right reasons. To save money, to avoid filling landfill, to make the most of what we have and be good stewards. Right then, that'll be it until the next video, which will be the stairwell curtain. It's up. It made a huge difference, but I'll tell you about that in the next video. Until then, folks, have a lovely day.